Hi, this is Daniel for Gearbest. I bring you today an Elephone smartphone, the Elephone P8 MAX. Elephone, they make a lot of great smartphones with awesome prices and very good specs, and this is another one, the P8 MAX. Let me open up the box for you and let's do a little unboxing, and then I'll talk about all the specs and all the details about the smartphone itself. So once you open it, it's right here inside a little bag. We'll keep it there for now, so I can show the rest of the box. There's like a tray here that comes up, and then there's a box, an envelope. Yeah, there's like a small envelope box with a pin for the SIM card slot, so that's cool. It's there, it's useful. Quick start guides in colors in English, so again, very useful, very practical. And this is cool, it includes a protective case. There you go, transparent, so it fits the smartphone, so you don't need to find it anywhere else. You can just use this one, and that will keep your device safe and protected always. Still another box inside. Let me try to open it up, and it's the USB cable. Yep, the charging micro USB cable for charging and transferring files from your smartphone to your computer and vice versa. And finally, the final box. Let me put this back here. Let's find out what it is. And yeah, it's the charging brick. There you go. So yeah, with a USB port right here in the back, so you can charge it. Let's have a look at the actual smartphone, the Elephone P8 MAX. That's the name. Has a few plastics here. I'm going to remove them so we can have a better look at what the device actually looks like in its intended form and design. And here we have it, the P8 MAX. It's a 5.5-inch Full HD smartphone, so the display is Full HD. That's 1080p resolution pixels, if you will. This is the shape, kind of like metal plastic body here. This is the black version, but also comes in red if you want to check. So check in the link below. You can find both models at gearbest.com. Anyway, 5.5-inch. It's running Android 7 out of the box. It has 4 GB of RAM plus 64 GB of storage, which you can increase with a TF card, micro SD. Huge, big 5000 milliamp battery that will keep it running for at least 2 days if you use it in a normal fashion. MediaTek CPU inside. It's an Octa core, clocking in at 1.5 GHz. And very impressively, it has a 16 megapixel front camera for the selfies. Actually, this smartphone has a bigger, the camera in the front has more megapixels than the one in the back, since the rear camera has 13 megapixels with a flash LED light right here. But the front one is really the showstopper with 16 megapixels. So if you like selfies, or if you need to do a lot of video calls and stuff like that, the P8 MAX is the right fit for you. I mean, 16 megapixels up the front, that will make you look beautiful no matter how unattractive you might be, but I'm sure you're not. So yeah, micro USB here in the back, the 3.5 millimeter jack for your earphones, and that's pretty much it. Nice price, under $150. It's around $130 at the moment. So for this price and considering the specs, it's really hard to find something better in the market right now. Okay, so that's it for the Elephone P8 MAX. Great specs. Remember, 4 GB of RAM, octa-core CPU, awesome front camera, 16 megapixel camera, huge battery. I mean, 5000 milliamps. This is the whole package. This is everything you need in a smartphone with an incredible price. So check the link below. Check all the rest of the details, all the specs, all the pricing, the two different models, red and black like this one. Like and subscribe, keep following us. I'll bring many other devices in the future. Thank you very much.